Hello guys, Google Domains was acquired by Squarespace on September 7, 2023. And since mid-2024, all existing Google domains have been migrated to Squarespace domains. That means domains bought via Google are now managed entirely through Squarespace. So, in order to activate a domain purchased on Google Domains, you'll have to simply log into Squarespace domains by navigating to domains.squarespace.com. Click on login button at the top and use continue with Google, the same account you used as Google Domains. If needed, confirm your email and create password to access your account. Now, locate your migrated domain. Once logged in, go to the domain section and click on manage domains. You will find your Google purchase domain listed here, fully migrated. Now, Squarespace supports all major DNS functions like CNAME, MX, DNS, SEC, etc. So navigate to settings, navigate to DNS records to make changes like adding email records or pointing your domain to an external host. Now, if you're using Squarespace hosting, connect your domain via the dashboard, and if hosting elsewhere, update your CNAME and MX records accordingly. Now, Squarespace honored Google's renewal rates for at least 12 months post-migration, but prices may have increased after September 2024. Now, you can also transfer your domain to another provider if you don't want Squarespace as your registrar. Use the Transfer Away option in the Squarespace domains dashboard, and you will need to unlock the domain and obtain an EPP or auth code. So that is the simple way through which you can activate a domain purchased on Google Domains. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.